water is an essential part of the children's diet and nutrition, and I'm absolutely certain that with all the heat that we have been having, the water is even more important. Good afternoon, class.
Hi, my name is Marcel Bryce. I'm a water cooler technician, and today I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how to use your water cooler. Okay? All right. So before we turn on our water cooler, we always put on the bottle first. All right. So the bottle is now on the machine. Before you plug in the machine, you always ensure that water comes through the hot part first. Okay, it's called the hot valve or the hot nozzle. Everybody get that? Yes, sir. What's it called? Or? Okay, and on the nozzle you have a safety button. Before you press it, you have to slide it backwards and then push down like this. See the water running? Alright, so now we can plug in our machine. Something as important as a water cooler that our kids can get water to drink, it is very important for the kids to help hydrate themselves. Even at break time when they play, they have very cool water to come back and drink.
It's very, very overwhelming. I mean, I did not expect this at all. A water cooler, bottles, personal bottles for each child. I did not expect this. We do appreciate this, and I know our children will take care of this.
Well, I'm very impressed. I mean, as parents, as partnership with education, this is commendable. And as we work together, collaborating, I think this is a good move because partnership is very important.
I just want to take the opportunity to thank the persons who played a role in making this possible. Pure Well Water, they provided us with 3 water bottles. I came to a PTA meeting and I was immediately dehydrated because of the overwhelming heat, and there was no water, cool water for hydration. So I took the initiative on my own to decide to go out and search. And I want to thank everybody, especially the persons, our team at RJR Group, who gave me an overwhelming response and gave me the money together to do it. Some noted persons are, Delia Harris, Carlet DeLeon from Breakthrough Communications. Delia is from RJR. I want to thank Mr. Lyndon Leslie. He's an attorney. He played a critical role in us getting the bottles secured as well as the names printed on the bottle. They also played a critical role in assisting me in getting a significant amount of discount, up to 85% discount from Mr. Marlon Hibbert, who gave us a tremendous amount of discount. Marlon Hibbert is from Virtue Artistic. He has the company that prints in 3D the names on the bottles for the children. We decided to go with bottles instead of cups for safety as well as for more responsibility, because we're dealing with children and they will spill the bottle and spill the water and their textbooks and so on. We also want to thank Mr. Bryce for doing it, and most of all I want to thank Mr. Sharp for providing the coverage for this launch and this effort.
Thank you very much.